While most car companies were busy focusing on their old models and traditional marketing strategies, Tesla engineers were quietly working behind the scenes on a groundbreaking new technology. This isn't just a new engine, it's a bold signal that Tesla has already launched itself into the race for the future. Once again, Elon Musk has made headlines with a breakthrough that opens the doors to tomorrow. This is not a minor technological improvement, it's a giant leap that positions Tesla ahead of the competition from the very start. The new electric motor is incredibly smart, powerful, and precise, so much so that some experts are calling it technology from time travel. This motor is faster, lighter, and more energy efficient than anything we've seen before. There's no noise, no delay. The system responds instantly, delivering a driving experience that is smoother and more controlled than ever. Tesla has optimized this motor through both design and software integration, allowing it to generate more output using less energy. This may very well be the point at which Tesla has leaped miles ahead of its competitors. But the real question is, how did Tesla do this? What is the technology behind this innovation? And what will it change? The story begins with Tesla's revolutionary motor, which didn't just improve the car, it changed the entire game. Today, when we look at the roads, it's clear that the world is undergoing a major transformation. Electric vehicles are steadily replacing petrol and diesel cars. What was once considered an experimental idea has now become a top priority for nearly every country. Elon Musk has often emphasized in interviews that the future belongs to electric vehicles. Nations like the United States, China, India, and countries across Europe are heavily investing in the EV sector. Governments are offering subsidies, companies are launching new models, and EV charging infrastructure is rapidly expanding. By 2030, many nations aim to completely phase out petrol and diesel vehicles. In this context, EVs are no longer just an option, they are a necessity. From China's BYD to America's Tesla to India's Tata, major automakers are rolling out innovative electric models. Importantly, these EVs are not only environmentally friendly, but also increasingly practical for everyday users, offering longer ranges, lower maintenance, and affordable running costs. Speaking of Tesla, it's clear that Elon Musk was the catalyst for this EV revolution. Now, as the entire industry shifts towards electric mobility, Tesla is leading the charge. The era of electric intelligence has officially begun. If this change isn't taken seriously, individuals, companies, and even governments risk being left behind. In the coming years, only those who adapt quickly to this shift will remain competitive. Tesla has been at the forefront of EV technology for years, but this latest innovation marks not just progress, it represents a giant leap that could leave the industry stunned. Traditional motors rely on metal components that heat up, expand, and wear out over time, limiting their performance in terms of speed and power. Tesla's carbon fiber rotor overcomes these limitations. It can spin at extremely high speeds without heating, bending, or wearing out prematurely. Its structural stability allows it to operate beyond 20,000 RPM, revolutions per minute, without failure or overheating, far exceeding the limits of most high-performance motors, which typically struggle around 16,000 RPM. This advancement isn't merely an upgrade, it's a redefinition of motor design and performance. The new Tesla motor is faster, lighter, and more durable. It generates more torque while consuming less energy and can run continuously for long durations. Additionally, it uses fewer rare metals, lowering production costs and making it easier to manufacture at scale, an essential factor given the soaring global demand for EVs. While most competitors are still trying to refine conventional motor technologies, Tesla has already moved to the next generation. This not only gives Tesla a performance edge, but also an advantage in cost-effectiveness and production scalability. The acceleration stats of Tesla's latest vehicles speak for themselves, and the best may be yet to come. Tesla has introduced a revolutionary new motor that accelerates from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 2 seconds. an impressive feat that highlights not only raw power, but the company's mastery of technical balance, efficiency, and control. Made of lightweight carbon fiber, this motor is engineered for performance without compromising battery life, cooling efficiency, or driving range. It consumes significantly less energy than previous models and maintains thermal stability without needing bulky cooling systems. This breakthrough directly tackles major EV concerns like battery drain and limited range, offering drivers fewer charging stops, longer range, and greater overall reliability. More impressively, the motor's design uses fewer rare metals, lowering production costs and making the technology more accessible to consumers, all while keeping Tesla's margins healthy. Tesla isn't just refining car parts, it's reshaping the entire automotive industry. While legacy automakers retrofit old combustion platforms, Tesla builds EVs from scratch on clean sheet platforms. From battery cells to motors, everything is developed in-house, allowing unmatched speed, quality control, and cost efficiency. With its 4,680 battery cells, offering higher energy density, faster charging, and longer life, Tesla pairs cutting-edge motors with next-gen power systems. Their synergy creates vehicles that are faster, lighter, and smarter. On top of this, Tesla's AI systems, built on real-world data from millions of miles of driving, continue to improve with every software update, even while the car is parked. While rivals like Ford, GM, Rivian, and BYD battle supply chain issues and scaling challenges, Tesla moves rapidly with a vertically integrated model, global gigafactories, and direct-to-consumer sales that eliminate dealership inefficiencies. Tesla's vision goes far beyond cars. With solar roofs, power walls, and a fully integrated ecosystem of energy, AI, and manufacturing, Tesla is not just leading the EV race, it's redefining the future of mobility and energy itself. This advancement isn't merely an upgrade, it's a redefinition of motor design and performance. The new Tesla motor is faster, lighter, and more durable. It generates more torque, while consuming less energy and can run continuously for long durations. Additionally, it uses fewer rare metals, lowering production costs and making it easier to manufacture at scale, an essential factor given the soaring global demand for EVs. While most competitors are still trying to refine conventional motor technologies, Tesla has already moved to the next generation. This not only gives Tesla a performance edge, but also an advantage in cost-effectiveness and production scalability. The acceleration stats of Tesla's latest vehicles speak for themselves, and the best may be yet to come.